Hello everyone, today we're unboxing an Oris watch. As you can see here by the big Oris logo on the white sleeve. Let me get this guy open. And you got the new Oris gray box. I think they've been doing it for about 1.5 years now, these new gray boxes. There is your booklet, information right there, but we will not discuss that. Let us take a look at the watch. Now the watch we're going to be looking at there, hiding under the warranty card, is the Oris Aquis date relief. And let me get it out of here. Man, this guy's really stuck in there today. Here you got it with that really cool looking gray band. Matches nicely with the gray face. Very sharp looking. Now the face is supposed to reflect the color of stormy seas, and this has got a new bezel design with the relief on the bezel instead of the usual Aquis ceramic bezel. Gives it a little different feel. Oris only makes automatic watches, so this of course is an automatic dive watch. This dive watch goes down 30 bars or 30 meters. The crystal is a sapphire crystal and a stainless steel case. So the power reserve for this automatic watch is 38 hours. The reference number for this watch is 01733 7730 4153 078 2405 PEB. So the monotone look of the watch with the gray face and the gray band is kind of cool. It's very different than the other Oris watches, and it's got a hint of red there on the second hand. Here you can see it on my wrist. It's a good size watch. It's 43.5 millimeters, as I discussed before, but it doesn't feel too big. The way Oris designed the Aquis watch, it's a little bit slimmer, so it's not a bulky watch even though it's a larger model. And my wrist size is 7.5 inches. So here we can see the lume on it. It got beautiful lume. You definitely need that with a dive watch. And yep, you can see it as I go back and forth. Very nice. I'd like to take the time to thank you guys for checking this out. Have a good one.